Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the front post quad stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I used regular double crochet stitches. Up here on the row that I'm currently working, I have made 4 chains. I then worked a regular quad stitch into the first stitch right here. I have tutorials on the double crochet, the quad, and chains. I will have them all listed down below. So I'm going to go ahead and work a front post quad into my next stitch. Front quad stitches are, you start by wrapping your hook 3 times, so that's what I am doing. You're going to insert your hook in between these stitches, go around behind that stitch, through the other side of it, grab that yarn, pull it around behind it. This is where you would do the quad stitch like normal. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over through 2 loops. And that's going to be one front post quad stitch made. I'm doing regular quad stitches in between these, so this is just a regular one. All right, again, you're going to go in between the stitches right here, behind that stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it behind that stitch, yarn over, finish your quad stitch like normal. I'm going to do a regular one in between. All right, again, this is where you're going to be inserting your hook. It's going to be between these stitches right here. You're going to go around behind that one, the next one that you would normally work into. You're going to go behind the post of it. You're going to grab that yarn you're working with, pull it behind that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just a regular quad in between here. Again, you're going to go in between these stitches in this space right here. Then you're going to take your hook behind that next stitch. It's going to poke out the other side. You're going to grab the yarn you're working with and pull it through that space and up behind that stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. It's a lot of pull through 2s on quad stitches. You can see how those are a little bit raised now and how my regular quad stitches are a little recessed into the work. All right, I'm going to work a regular quad stitch right here into this next stitch. Again, this is where you're going to be inserting your hook. Go around behind that stitch right there. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. Making a regular one right here. Alright, again, this is where you're going to insert your hook. It's still at the front of your work. You're not going in behind it or anything. It's still at the front. Insert in between those stitches, but behind the post of that next one. It's going to pop out on the other side. Grab that yarn, pull it through, but behind that stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. 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 Regular in between. All right, our last front post. I'm going to go between these stitches right here. This is where you're going to insert your hook. It's going to go behind the post of that next stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2. 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 I'm going to make another one right here at the edge. just a regular one, just to round out this row. And that is what the front post quad stitch is going to look like. This is the front of your work. This is what the back of your work would look like. You can see that there is a ridge that is raised here now. That is going to be how to make the front post quad stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos that you would like to see, patterns, tutorials, anything like that. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.